case you're wondering about the differences between the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, there are three major differences. Obviously, the screen size is different. You get a 6.1-inch Super AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy S10, and you get a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display on the 10 Plus. So it's a little more screen space for a little more money, and it's so big, in fact, it's actually displaced the front-facing camera. They both have the hole punch camera inside, embedded in the screen, but this one has two cameras, this one has one. On the back, we have a triple lens camera. Dual lens cameras are out, triple lens camera is in, at least on the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. The triple lens camera gives you the new ability to take an ultra wide photo. So you have the regular photo, the wide photo, you have a telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and you also have an ultra wide camera on back. There are three other highlights besides the triple lens camera, besides the new display, that you should know about. One is something that's returning. It's actually a surprise these days. Samsung has included a 3.5mm headphone jack. One thing they got rid of is a fingerprint sensor pad on back. In fact, there's no fingerprint sensor pad at all. It's not even on the front. What happens is you can unlock the phone by using an in-screen fingerprint sensor. It's actually behind the glass. So if you've been missing the fingerprint sensor being on the front of the phone, Samsung has returned it to the front of the phone, and you're going to really like the in-screen fingerprint sensor technology. And the third new feature is wireless power sharing. So that's reverse wireless charging. We've seen that on a couple other phones, but basically you can stick the back of your friend's phone to your phone if it's Qi charging compatible and help charge their phone. You can charge a device like the new Galaxy Buds, so it'll charge from your phone to another device, and that's a really